start here. So when somebody calls, I'm going to bring it up here. First thing, most people actually key in the customer's name and number in here, but we've come up with some newer technology. If you hit this, now you have the new grid technology where you can actually change these just like you saw. I can filter on these grids, things of that nature. So I'm looking for a company called Waste Management. You can see there's quite a few, right? Let's just say it's a supplied or Motion who's got 300 locations and you don't have time to scroll through these. You can just go right up to this city here, hit the binocular, say I'm looking for when it's in Baxley, Georgia. You start typing, it comes up automatically. Boom, that fast, you hit select and it returns the value back to the screen. And then it comes up with some pop-up comments specific to this customer ship to. So again, this Find Customer here is kind of a nice utility that you should be looking at because it allows you to customize those screens. And once again, just like I showed you earlier, you can right click and you have all those capabilities to move things off the screen, on the screen, auto size it, create an auto find panel. I mean, literally just play around with it. You'll be quite impressed with what you can do. So that's one thing. There's another thing that I think is extremely important, which is who's calling in. There's a system parameter table that you can go into and force the customer service person to capture who's calling in each time. It will jump right to here after you captured the name. So you can either look for an existing contact that was already in the system, right? Or you can enter one on the fly. So again, and it will capture it, it'll stay with this order, and then you can include this email on the invoice. So now I know who it is and their email, and it'll be attached. So these little things make a big difference when the customer calls back and Joe's on the phone and says, hey, where's my order and all that good stuff. So again, make sure too that you go to the system parameter tables and look at